Hello everyone! So if you want to delete all saved Wi-Fi networks on your Samsung phone, here's how to do that. So first of all, we're to open up our settings, of course. Now let's locate our connections tab and open it up. Here we gotta locate our Wi-Fi tab. After that, let's tap on the three dots at the top right corner and let's choose Advanced Settings. I'm sorry, wrong button. Advanced Settings. After that, we are to locate our Managed Networks section. Let's open it up as well. Here we can see the list of the networks which were ever connected to and saved them. So to cleanse them up, we are to tap and hold our finger on any of those networks. Now, if you want to cleanse them all, simply press All at the top left corner. Or if you want to keep your current network, which you're currently connected to, simply uncheck it, and that's it. So deleting networks will require you to re-enter passwords when you're gonna connect to them again. And if your passwords are saved in Samsung Cloud or in Google, there won't be a big problem. So let's confirm our choice by pressing delete. And basically that's it. Now we are done. So regularly cleaning saved networks can enhance your phone's security by preventing automatic connections to untrusted networks. And sometimes it's really good to just clean off all the logs. Basically, that's it. If you want to perform a full rewiring of all of your network settings, you are to go back to your settings. Let's do this. Now locate your General Management tab. Here, scroll down to your Reset tab. And here you're to press Reset Network Settings and confirm your choice. Now let's enter our password, our current PIN, and confirm our choice by pressing Reset. Basically, that's all. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.